Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my lovely friends. A very warm welcome to everyone present here on this proud occasion of India's 77th Republic Day. Today, we celebrate 26 January, the day in 1950 when our Constitution came into effect, making India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This day reminds us of the value of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity that our nation stands for. Republic Day is not only about honoring our Constitution, but also about remembering the sacrifices of the freedom fighters who fought to give us the rights and freedoms we enjoy today. Across India, this day is celebrated with grand parades, flag hoisting ceremonies, cultural performances, and awards for bravery and excellence. From the majestic parade at Kartavya Path, Delhi, to festivities in schools, offices, and villages, every citizen celebrates the pride of being an Indian. So let us join together in celebrating the spirit of unity, patriotism, and democracy on this very special day. To begin our Republic Day celebration, we are honored to welcome our very own SPM staff and our respected principal, Ms. Monica Ma'am, for the flag unfurling ceremony.
May I request everyone to please stand in attention as we proudly unfurl the national flag, followed by the singing of our national anthem and the Jhanda Geet to pay our respect to our nation.
एक साथ झंडे को सलामी देंगे, सलामी दो।
देश के युवा कितने उत्साही और अनुशासित है। आज के मार्च पास्ट में हमारे स्कूल लीडर्स की बैंड भी हिस्सा ले रही है, जो अपने संगीत और ताल के साथ इस अवसर को और भी विशेष बना रही है।
इस उत्साहवर्धक संचलन के बाद अब आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है एक अत्यंत भावपूर्ण और राष्ट्र प्रेम से ओतप्रोत गीत सारे जहां से अच्छा। ये अमर देशभक्ति गीत हमारे महान देश भारत की एकता, अखंडता और सांस्कृतिक गौरव को दर्शाता है। इस गीत के शब्द हर भारतीय के हृदय में देश के प्रति प्रेम, सम्मान और समर्पण की भावना जागृत करते हैं। आइए इस प्रेरणादायक प्रस्तुति के माध्यम से हम सब भी अपने राष्ट्र के प्रति अपनी निष्ठा प्रकट करें।
सारे
झेंडावंदन करण्यासाठी जितके सर्वजण उत्सुक होते तोच उत्साह द्विगुणित झाला माझ्या डाव्या बाजूला ही जी ट्रॉफी ठेवलेली आहे तो बघितल्यानंतर. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी शाळेत आल्यानंतर ही ट्रॉफी बघून आनंदित झालेला होता की आज हाऊस ट्रॉफीची अनाउन्समेंट होणार आहे. त्यामुळे झेंडावंदन आणि त्यानंतर राष्ट्रगीत झेंडागीत याचे सुंदर सादरीकरण झाल्यानंतर मी सुहास सरांना आमंत्रित करते आणि त्यांच्याकडे पुढील सूत्र देते.
गुड मॉर्निंग. आज यहाँ हम सार्वभौम समाजवादी पंथनिरपेक्ष और लोकतंत्रात्मक भारत देश का गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहे हैं. आप सभी को 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. जिस प्रकार संविधान ने सभी भारतवासियों को प्रतिष्ठा प्राप्त कराने के अवसर दिए हैं उसी प्रकार हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से भी बच्चों को अपनी कला अपने हुनर प्रस्तुत करने के अनेक अवसर मिलते हैं. इसी कला गुणों का फल अर्थात सर्वोत्कृष्ट हाउस की घोषणा करने हेतु मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ. नतीजा घोषित करने से पहले मैं हाउस इंचार्ज के नाते हमारे प्रशाला की प्रिंसिपल मोनिका मैम, पर्यवेक्षिका सेवा मैम, सभी हाउस मास्टर्स, टीचर्स, काउंसिल मेंबर्स और हमारे प्यारे छात्रों को धन्यवाद देता हूँ. ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए घोषित करता हूँ इस साल का सर्वोत्कृष्ट हाउस की ये जो ट्रॉफी है वो जिस हाउस को मिलने वाली है उस हाउस का नाम है. इससे पहले साल भर आपने जो योगदान दिया है विविध कला विविध स्पर्धा के माध्यम से उसका फल यानी पॉइंट्स जो आपके हाउस को मिले हैं उसके बारे में मैं बताना चाहूँगा. फाइनल स्कोर ऑफ द ऑल हाउसेस, येलो हाउस 4,946 पॉइंट. ब्लू हाउस 5,369 points. And the winner house, yes, उससे पहले मैं हमारे प्यारे प्रधानाचार्य और पर्यवेक्षिका जेबा मैम से निवेदन करता हूँ कि ये जो हाउस ट्रॉफी है आप इस हाउस को देकर सम्मानित करें, ये आपसे अनुरोध है. 2 हाउसेस बचे हैं. मैं पॉइंट्स तो नहीं डिक्लेयर करूंगा, डायरेक्ट विनर हाउस का नाम यहाँ डिक्लेयर करूंगा. जेबा मैम एंड प्रिंसिपल मैम. रेड हाउस के सभी विद्यार्थी, मास्टर्स, टीचर्स को मैं यहाँ आमंत्रित करता हूँ. आप ये हाउस ट्रॉफी का सम्मान स्वीकार करें. रेड हाउस के सभी छात्र A big round of applause for all the houses for their wonderful effort and sportsmanship. Thank you.
We continue with the celebrations. We now come to one of the most exciting parts of our Republic Day program, the cultural performances. Our talented learners have prepared beautiful presentations of dance and music that reflect their creativity, energy, and above all, their love and respect for the nation. Through these performances, we will witness the spirit of patriotism, unity, and joy come alive on stage. It is always a delight to see our young stars express their talent and celebrate the pride of being Indian. But before we immerse ourselves in this tricolor display, it is our honor to invite our respected principal, Monica Ma'am, to address the assembly and share her inspiring thoughts on the significance of this day.
At the outset, I extend my warm wishes to each one of you present here to celebrate and commemorate the 77th Republic Day of the world's largest democracy, the Republic of India. Each symbol, each color, be it our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, or our national song, Vande Mataram, signifies the soul spirit of timeless Bharat. The Ashoka Chakra in our emblem as a wheel has constantly kept us in motion, rolling on the path of progress and prosperity. The colors in our national flag are seen in their true spirits. Green representing the self-sufficiency which we have achieved in the field of agricultural prosperity to be able to overcome hunger and poverty and feed every possible mouth. The saffron in its full vibrance brings in a new sunrise, a new dawn every day, filled with hopes and promises for a bright future. The white is the most precious as it safeguards the peace of the nation, a nation who since ages has been advocating peace, but on the hindsight knows how to defend the peace of our country with a strong army standing on all the three fronts, guarding our skies, our waters, and our land. Deeper admiration to the makers of Indian Constitution who made the impossible possible. Salute to Baba Saheb Ambedkar and the entire team comprising of 299 members working relentlessly for 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The Constitution of India has stood for us like an iron wall and guarded every single Indian, safeguarding their fundamental rights. Most of you have grade 6 and above read in your political science textbooks, but it is also interesting to know that not only for the adults, our country also has specific and clearly defined rights and responsibilities for the children. As the nation believes that these rights and responsibilities are essential for fostering a supportive environment where children can thrive and develop into responsible adults. By understanding and respecting these principles, children can contribute positively to their families and communities. Today, let me share the same with you all about the children's rights and responsibilities. The first right is the right to survival for ensuring a strong start. Every child has the right to survival, a right of child to be born and cared for, irrespective of their gender or social background. This right underscores the importance of proper nutrition, healthcare, and safe environment during the early years of life, allowing each child to thrive and fulfill their potential. Next is the right to education for nurturing young minds. The right to education is a cornerstone of child development. It ensures that every Indian child has access to quality education, enabling them to explore their interests, acquire knowledge, and pave the way for a brighter future. The right to education is central to upholding the rights of child in India. This right is a powerful tool for breaking the cycle of poverty and ensuring a well-informed citizenry. Right to protection and safeguarding innocence. Child protection is paramount concern. The Child Protection Act in India safeguards children from abuse and exploitation, ensuring their physical, emotional, and psychological well-being. By addressing these issues such as child labor, trafficking, and causes of child marriage. Upholding this right of child creates a safer environment for all children to grow and thrive. Right to participation for empowering young voices. Children are not passive recipients. They are the active participants in society. Every child deserves a platform to voice their opinions, ideas, and concerns. Encouraging their participation in decision-making processes fosters a sense of responsibility and citizenship from a young age. Right to development for nurturing holistic growth. Childhood is a period of rapid growth and development. This right emphasizes the importance of ensuring that every child has access to nutrition, healthcare, and opportunities that promote their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Right to health and well-being, building a healthy future. Good health is fundamental to a child's growth. This right encompasses proper health care, immunization through vaccinations, and sanitation facilities to prevent diseases and promote overall well-being among children. Right to identity, recognizing individuality. Every child has the right to an identity, including a name and a nationality. Birth registration is crucial not only for legal recognition, but also for accessing essential services and entitlements. This right of child to identity helps ensure access to education, healthcare, and other benefits. Right to expression for fostering creativity. Children are natural explorers and creators. This right encourages freedom of expression, allowing children to express their thoughts, ideas, and creativity without fear. Right against discrimination for promoting equality. Discrimination based on gender, caste, religion, or any other factor has no place in a just society. This right ensures that every child is treated equally regardless of their background, empowering them to reach their full potential. Right to a safe environment for preserving tomorrow's world. The environment in which a child grows shapes their future. This right emphasizes the need for a clean, safe, and sustainable environment, ensuring that children inherit a planet that is conducive to their well-being. But as it is said that rights come with responsibilities, let us understand those as well. Children's responsibilities include responsibility to respect others. Children should respect the rights and feelings of others, including their peers and adults. Responsibility to learn. Children have the responsibility to engage in their education and strive to learn. Responsibility to care for the environment. Children should learn to take care of their surroundings and contribute to a healthy environment. Responsibility to participate. Children should participate in decisions that affect their lives and communities. Responsibilities to help others. Children should help those in need and show kindness to others, responsibility to follow rules. Children should understand and follow the rules set by their families and communities. Responsibility to take care of themselves. Children should learn to take care of their health and well-being. Responsibility to respect cultural differences. Children should respect the cultural backgrounds and beliefs of others. Responsibility to share. Children should learn to share and cooperate with others. Responsibility to learn from mistakes. Children should understand that making mistake is a part of learning and should strive to improve. Hope this awareness helps you to be more productive in your self-grooming phase. With this, let us all look forward to the wonderful performances of our very own SVMites who are here to exhibit their talents and living by our motto, to be more. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for spreading awareness of the children's rights and responsibilities. Now, get ready to enjoy a lively and graceful performance by our grade 6 learners. Through their movements and expression, they will present a beautiful tribute to our nation and
ग्रेड 6 करणानंतर CBSEच्या एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत या अभियानानुसार यावर्षी आपले महाराष्ट्र राज्य पुन्हा एकदा ओडिसा राज्यासोबत जोडले गेले आहे. प्राचीन काळापासून उत्कल आणि कलिंग म्हणून ओळखले जाणारे ओडिसा भारतीय इतिहासात अत्यंत महत्त्वाचे ठरते. समृद्ध संस्कृती, शास्त्रीय नृत्यकला, भव्य वास्तुकला आणि मातृभूमीप्रती असणारी गाढ भक्ती यामुळे ओडिसाची ओळख निर्माण झालेली आहे. तेथील लोक शक्तिशाली संगीत व काव्याच्या माध्यमातून आपल्या मातृभूमीवरील प्रेम व्यक्त करतात. आज आपल्यासमोर सादर होत आहे ओडिया भाषेतील एक देशभक्तीपर गीत एई देशो एई माटी, जे आपल्या पवित्र भूमीला अर्पण केलेले एक हृदयस्पर्शी अभिवादन आहे.
and melodious. Thank you, sir, for giving us such a beautiful and melodious song. It was really beautiful and we all enjoyed it for sure. Now, young energy and joyful expressions are about to lit up the stage. Our grade 5 learners are all set to present a vibrant dance performance that reflects enthusiasm and teamwork. Please welcome them with your energy and encouraging applauses.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
असा हा परफॉर्मन्स होता. ग्रेड 5 वेल डन. आता आपण पाहणार आहोत एक दृकश्राव्य सादरीकरण वंदे मातरम, जे इयत्ता 1ली ते 4थीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी साकारले आहे. या व्हिडिओ सादरीकरणातून आपल्या छोट्या विद्यार्थ्यांची निरागस भावना, मातृभूमी प्रती असणारे त्यांचे प्रेम सुंदरपणे व्यक्त होत आहे. आणि या सादरीकरणाचे एक विशेष असं आहे, डान्स इज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, पण प्रत्येक वेळी नृत्य करताना त्याला शब्दांची किंवा तालाची आवश्यकता नसते. त्यामुळे या वेळेला जसं SVM मध्ये आपण नवीन नवीन प्रयोग करत असतो, सगळेच शिक्षक वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्यासमोर आणत असतात. तसंच आपल्या डान्स टीचर सोनल मॅम यांनी इयत्ता 1ली ते 4थीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना साइन लँग्वेज म्हणजे सांकेतिक भाषा शिकवलेली आहे आणि त्याचा वापर या नृत्याच्या सादरीकरणासाठी केलेला आहे. तर कृपया सर्वांना विनंती आहे की शांतपणे या सादरीकरणाचा आस्वाद घ्यावा. आणि मी सर्वांना विनंती करते की सर्वांनी उभे राहावे, कारण वंदे मातरम या गीताचे सादरीकरण होत आहे.
Proceed to the end of our celebration. On behalf of the school, I extend our sincere gratitude to everyone who made today's Republic Day celebration a grand success. We are deeply thankful to our respected Principal Ma'am for the constant guidance, encouragement and inspiring address that truly enriched today's program. We also express our heartfelt appreciation to all the teachers and staff members for their dedicated efforts in planning and organizing the event. We sincerely appreciate the enthusiasm and discipline shown by our students, whose performances add colors and energy and meaning to this celebration. We also thank the support staff for their assistance and the smooth conduct of the program. Once again, thank you all for being a part of this memorable celebration. Let us continue to uphold the value of unity, responsibility and patriotism. Jai Hind, Happy Republic Day to everyone.